Okay.
All right, over where Mommy is Stacy, so she'll
Charlotte
crawl.
doing her low crawl. Sissy, looky! Don't cry. Okay, go get it, Sissy. There's a milkshake right here that my mom made. Come on, boo-boo. Come get it.
I want it.
Come on, Sissy. And here she goes. It's so funny. She's like a little worm. Good job. Ah! Okay. And look at her trying to drink this like a big girl. Good job. Good job, Sissy. Oh, you want milkshake? And look at her little curly hairs. It's getting really cute. Anyways, Grace to say, hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
So I'm eating ice cream at 11 o'clock in the morning because my Omi spoils me.
I got ice cream.
See, it's so delicious.
It's so delicious.
Yeah, say I miss you.
I miss you.
Say come home soon.
Come home soon.
Say you're the best. She just dumped milkshake all over her. Is that good, Sissy? Oh, well. Whatever. Alright, babe, I just wanted to show you how Charlotte crawls and how they're both eating ice cream and really early in the morning. Anyways, we love you and we miss you
Look at
tons.
her face.
And I would, yeah, I look like crap, so there's no seeing me this morning. But I love you tons. Hope we get to talk to you soon. Love you. Say bye, Daddy. Love you.
For you.
Look at the camera. Say, Gracie, come on, lay off the ice cream for a second. Hey, say bye, Daddy.
Bye, Daddy.
Say I love you so much.
I love you so much.
Okay, give Daddy big smooches. Kiss the camera. Good job. All right, say bye, Sissy. All right, babe. Love you. Bye.